very simple step. I'm going to show you this how to add notes in less than a minute. So let's dive right in. So this is the whole page, right? So suppose you're going to work on project, you want to add something over here, like, to do that, there's a note option right in below. So let's type in there. So this is how it works. You can add notes in each page. You can add different notes. For example, I'm gonna say like, okay, like timing is 12, right? So this is the one note that I have. I can add multiple, like start here or go, yes, stuff like that. So once I scroll down, you have to add another note, so it works on different pages if you scroll all the way. So let's tap another note over here. Okay, to do. And if we scroll all the way to the another page, then yeah. So this is how it works. This is how you add notes in Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.